Shashikala Srivardhane from Supernovas addressing the media today. Firstly, a tough day on the field today for you guys. So when Trailblazers were going well, what was the talk in the team and what were the strategies employed to pull them back?
Yeah, we knew we just have to take 3 to 4 good wickets. So we were planning for that all the time. You know, heads were up, and we just wanted to take crucial wickets, regular intervals. So all the girls had the nerve, and I think we came back well after a few overs.
Radha Yadav has been phenomenal for the team. Can you talk a bit about her performance and what worked for her?
Yeah, she's been bowling really well and huge performer. I think she's from the starting she's been really doing well, and even the nets she's a really hard worker. So I saw that, and she has a huge talent, and she's executing in any pressure. So that's the main thing, that executing those things in the middle. So she's a young player, and she has huge career, I think.
Chamari also has been contributing well to the tournament and to the scoreboard. What has been her influence on the youngsters on the tournament?
Yeah, she's a performer all the time, especially in this format. So I think she gives a lot of energy for women's cricket and for batters and also youngsters. That how much is positive in this format. So I think youngsters have a lot of things to learn from her. I hope all viewers also enjoyed her innings.
How has the whole experience been in terms of playing a tournament in the whole COVID-19 scenario, and what have been the highs and lows of doing this tournament in terms of playing the bubble and also playing the tournament?
Yeah, the main thing is the positive thing is that we are playing cricket, and people can watch cricket. So while bubble is they have planned a lot, so I must thankful to BCCI for all this, so we can play some cricket as women cricketers. So I'm hugely thankful to BCCI, and also it's a kind of we have to do some sacrifices with this COVID pandemic. So I think all the people, I would like to thank them to having a successful tournament like this.
Also, you've played your last match, I think, in March. How is it coming back to the field, and how did you train for it?
Yeah, as we know about this from January, we were prepared, but with limited resources, I had to prepare myself in home with lockdown and all in Colombo. So I think for me it's a big thing after retirement, being with these girls, being with these competitors. I feel really happy to be with them and play like this.
Last question for you. You've been a senior player of the team. How do you see this opportunity or a platform like this to motivate youngsters into the cricket?
Yeah, this is a huge platform because I've been in this field for so long. But this is a fantastic thing, especially as Asians. We were looking for something like this. So again, I must thankful to BCCI for this opportunity, and from this definitely the women's cricket will be watching all over the world by people, and the girls will motivated to come into this sport, and definitely this will make a huge impact for women's cricket.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.